Okay.
Many people like to go to bars, nightclubs just to drink and dance. Well, have you ever thought of mixing a cocktail by yourself at your home? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to mix two kinds of cocktails, which is unalcoholic, and these two kinds of cocktails are pretty good. And you don't need much time to make these two cocktails. Just simple few steps, and you can just make these two cocktails. And so, in the future, whenever you're feeling like thirsty, and you somehow think Sprite and Coke are too monotonous, you can mix them into Shirley Temple or Roy Rogers. So today, I'm going to teach you how to mix a Shirley Temple and a Roy Rogers. Now, let me tell you the ingredients you need. The first things first, you will need ice. You will definitely need ice. Every cocktail needs ice. You will need a Coke for Roy Rogers. And a lemon or a lime, I'm not really sure what this is. And for Shirley Temple, you will need 7-Up. And for both cocktails, you will need green tea syrup. And this is my favorite part, the cherries. Yeah, babies. And you will need 2 cups for these two.
Move the cherries. The cherries.
Okay. So let's start from the Shirley Temple first. So the first step is open the eyes. Camera scissors. That was fun. Now let's fill both cups with raw ices. Not too much, but some. Be careful. Now, let's start on the Shirley Temple. Open the 7-Up and put it into 1 cup. And remember, leave some space on the top or you will have no space to put on the cherries and the green tea. So
Can you move the cherries? Can you move the cherry out of the way?
Sorry. Kind of like this and a little more like on the top. And by the way, if you want to use Sprite, it's okay too. Both are okay. Okay, now the second part is put syrup. Now, I personally like to put 2 spoons of syrup, or if you want to put 3 spoons of syrup, it's fine, but it's just, it will get really, really sweet, and some people don't like sweet. Some people doesn't really like drinks to be too sweet. So I'm just going to put 2 spoons in there, and that's a lot already. 1. Now by doing this, better watch out like the syrup spitting out of the cup. Okay, now start to stir the syrup into the 7-Up. And remember, when you're stirring, stir slowly and smoothly, because if you stir quickly, the ice will melt. You'll increase the ice melting, and it'll not be not really that matched. Okay. Now after you stir it, time to put the cherry. Put 2 or 3 or maybe 10 cherries in your cocktail, which should make the whole drink totally taste better. So let's just add 1 more. Oh, I love these babies. And now you are done with a Shirley Temple, and it basically looks like this. And it's a little, and this is the perfect size, the perfect match of a Shirley Temple. Sometimes when you when you leave too much space on the top, it'll feel only like here. That would cause this whole Shirley Temple to be too sweet. And sometimes when you feel it, when you didn't leave some space on the top, it'll overfill the cup and it'll become a disaster. Okay, now let's talk about the Roy Rogers. So, the Roy Rogers is pretty similar to the Shirley Temple. It's just you change the drink from 7-Up into a Coke. Put the Coke in first, and same thing, leave some space on the top. Kind of like this. Some space on the top. You can see it. And, well, you can add a little more. Okay. And now, mix the grenadine syrup in, which is, don't put too much in there. Well, actually, in the Roy Rogers, maybe you can put like 3 spoons because the Coke is not really as sweet as the 7-Up. So it's okay to put 3 spoons in the Roy Rogers. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. Now same thing, stir it. Now remember, this is very important. Stir it slowly and smoothly. Especially highlighted. Stir it slowly and smoothly. Don't stir it too fast or the whole cocktail will be pretty nasty. Okay, time for my best part. My babies! Come to daddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Put a lot of cherries in there. Okay. Oh. Okay, 4 cherries. And now you are done with the Roy Rogers. And if you think the Roy Rogers is just adding cherries, it's just too, if you think it's just tastes pretty sweet, you can add some lemon in there. Don't make it taste better. Now remember, when you squeeze the lemon there, you can stir it too, okay? Okay, so today I just teach you how to make a Shirley Temple and a Roy Rogers. So in the future, when you're feeling thirsty and you just somehow you just don't want to drink only Sprite or Coke, you can add some things in there, mix it into a Shirley Temple or Roy Rogers. It's definitely better. And this is all. Thank you. And if you want to drink it, come to me.
Round of applause.